how tech is like pretty ruthless with who they let into like just jobs and industries and like not industries because one industry, but like just the company and just different areas and stuff.
Mhm.
And the kind of more I'm starting to like get a picture for how this works, I'm like, it does make sense why with the talent in tech there is like such scrutiny around like who's in the ecosystem because like we are reliant on each other and everyone has been like super great about just like, hey, if you have any questions, like reach out. People don't give me like a hard time if I like follow up or if I just like come to them out of nowhere. I'm like, here's something super obscure and
Mhm.
all that because it is kind of this it's this interesting ecosystem where we are all reliant on each other because you have a big company like Oracle and just even all the big tech companies, we have so many different super deep products that it's impossible for any one person
To
to
know
know
everything.
everything. So it's
Hmm.
like you need to rely on each other. Like this isn't just even like about being like nice, although that aspect is like a beneficial one and it's everyone's like happier when everyone comes out with like a positive attitude, but it's also
Exactly.
it's like necessary too. And that's like something Jeff has been very good about being my manager is like he always answers my questions even if I just like come out of like left field with them. And even when I'm like not asking questions, I feel like he's good about I like that he also throws in his like 2 cents, like even unprompted by me, because
Hmm.
I think like a good manager also tries to predict the areas that you don't even know you don't know because those are like the most important ones is if you know
Exactly.
you don't know something like you're already working to get to know it, but there
Hmm.
might be like some super important stuff that like you don't even know to ask a question because like you don't even know that there's something you have to worry about over in that sphere.